Welcome back again, all of you. In this module, we will discuss about the procedures given by the Supreme Court for the arrest and the interrogation or the questioning. The Supreme Court has laid some procedures for the arrest and the interrogation. Anyway, we will discuss some of the procedures. The police officials should wear the accurate or the clear-cut identification with the name and their designation. Once more, the police should wear the clear identification with their name and designation, because we should know, or the arrested one should know whether this is a real police or whether he is cheating or not. So that is why the police should wear a clear identification with the name and designation. A memo of arrest should be prepared and witness should be signed there. A memo of arrest should be prepared and witness should be signed there. Also, the arrested person should be countersigned there. Okay. The arrested person has a right to inform his friend or his relative or any his well-wisher. It is his right. If the relative or the friend is outside, the police should notify the time, the place and the venue of the custody within 8 to 12 hours. Okay. So it is the right of the arrested one to inform about the arrest to his friend or any his relatives. If they are outside, the police should notify the time, the place and the venue of the custody within 8 to 12 hours. Now let us discuss about the FIR. What is FIR? First Information Report, that is FIR. Okay. The first information report or FIR is the beginning of the police investigation about a crime. First information report is the beginning of the police investigation about a crime. The FIR mentioned about the date, time, place of the crime. FIR mentioned about the place, date and time of the offense. And also this FIR mentioned about the witness, the address of the witness, and there will be a description of events of the crime also mentioned there. And the name and address of the complainant also recorded. Complainant means the person who has been complained about the issue. His details will also be mentioned in the FIR. So FIR, which means the first information report. This is the beginning of the police investigation about a crime. FIR mentioned the date, place and time of the offense. And also it mentioned about the witness and the name and address of the complainant also recorded. If it is possible, the identity of the accused also mentioned. If it is possible or if it is available, the identity of the accused also mentioned there. So this is the FIR. So these are all the things to tell you in this portion, and the remaining we will explain in the next module. Anyway, if you have any doubt, don't forget to ask. Okay. Thank you everyone.